action.
Hi, I just finished doing a rebuild on my Turbo M7. Pulled the motor out, replaced all the gaskets, replaced 2 new pistons, found a bunch of broken gaskets and whatnot. But anyway, here's the engine anyway. Got a brand new belt right there. CV Tech clutch. Only got a couple of kilometers on that guy. Dolphin clutch, secondary. Wrapped up my pipe. Not the best wrapping, but whatever. This is a twisted turbo setup. I also replaced the reeds on there. And this is my exhaust. And it goes up there, then it goes straight out battery somewhere. Fired is up right away soon. This is the turbo. Gotta put my turbo L filter. And yeah, so got tools all over the place. Still messy. Got my race gas over there, nav gas. Gonna be running it on this engine when I run higher boost levels. Anyway, I give her a fire up here for a sec. Well, the tether works fine. That's good. You don't want to be running that much power and have the tether not work, right? But anyway, what do I think about vforce reads on a turbo engine? Not so good. Got this one all chipped up there, and that one there is no good. And yeah, really tore this apart. Yeah. vforce read, not so good for turbo applications. That's all I gotta say about that. Wrap, enjoy the season, people. Have some fun. I gotta clean my shop. What do you think? Think I should turbo that Mini Z back there? Have a good day.